Sites help you manage customers who have multiple locations. For example, a commercial customer with 20 houses or buildings. Adding sites records in Workever is simple and can be done individually within a contact, or you can add multiple site records on an Excel file through the automatic import function. In this video, you will learn how to download the site import file, how to fill in the site import file, and how to import your sites via the import file in Workever. Downloading the site import file. To download the site import Excel file, go to the Sites section, select the Import Sites option and click Apply. In the Import pop-up window, click the Sample File option and download the file to your computer. Filling in the site import file. Open the file in Excel and fill it in with the necessary information. There are a couple of mandatory fields that you need to fill in for the system to recognize the sites and import them correctly into your account. Site name, this is a mandatory field, a name must be specified for each site. Customer email, you must add this detail to identify the customer. Customer name, you must add this detail to identify the customer. Once you've filled in the mandatory information and any other details that you need, you can save the file to your computer. Remember to save it as an .xls file, and not CSV or any other Excel format. Importing your sites via the import file. When you are ready to import the Excel file, you can go to Sites, select the Import Sites option from the drop-down menu and click Apply. In the Import pop-up, click Choose File and select the import file you saved on your computer. Once you've selected the file, click Import Now. The system will then display the file imported successfully completion message, or it will show you the errors from the file if there are any, such as missed mandatory fields or incorrect format. Your sites are now imported to your account. So now you've learnt how to download the site's import file, how to fill in the site's import file, and how to import your sites via the import file in Workever.